Hey guys, look, it's Friday. I've made a decision to do something, so I have driven out here to Safford, S-A-F-F-O-R-D, Alabama, to Safford Equipment and Hardware, and I'm gonna buy me a new aluminum trailer because you know, I have that 24-foot solid steel, rusted up, but hey, it's got some miles on it. Don't think it ain't. It's been a good trailer. It's just too big and it's too heavy. So anyway, buying an aluminum trailer. You'll see it in a minute, but I'm gonna walk in here. I'm supposed to meet this old cat named Paul, so we can go in here and see what he's got to say, and I'm gonna show you around the store a little bit. All right, here we go. Look at that. They even got live bait. Man, this is a big old store. There it is. Safford Hardware. Man, what you got there, sir?
I got an ice cream.
Are you gonna share?
Hey, don't tell nobody you see me.
I won't. What's your name? Quit walking toward me. I gotta keep backing up. You keep walking toward me. What's your name?
Bo.
Bo. Imagine that. Good to meet you, Bo. Uncle Packy. Enjoy that sandwich.
Yep.
All right, let's get in here. Let's get in here and see what we got. Beware, great prices inside. All right, here we go. Golly, what a store. Look, it's even got upstairs. And they got everything in there. Hey, man. Looking for Paul.
Hey, I'm Paul.
Hey, man. Packy, what's up, buddy?
Man, not much. Doing all right?
I am. You got that trailer ready?
Yeah, man, we got it ready.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna check it out.
Yeah,
man, this is a big store, man. It ain't. So y'all just don't sell like trailers and lawnmowers and shooting houses and side by sides. Y'all actually have like a whole like mini Bass Pro Shop in here.
That's right. Yeah. Sporting goods.
Yeah, sporting goods all up there.
Need.
Well, hey, let's walk around and show them some stuff.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it. Look and get your seeds. Got seeds over here.
Oh yeah. We got clothes.
Clothes. What's back here? Look, grills.
Oh yeah.
Look, seasonings. All your seasonings. Grills, big green egg stuff. Whole wall accessories, big green egg. Traeger. Buddy. Blackstone. Oh no, sorry. Pit Boss. My fault. I didn't mean to throw Blackstone in there.
Well, we sell those too.
Look. Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
Look at that. All your grills right there. Plenty of clothes. Got some animals mounted. Your fishing rods. Well, let's take them up there and show them some guns.
Yeah.
So now we're up to the hunting section. So, I mean, golly, man. This place is huge to be... I ain't never heard of it. Row after row. Goodness gracious at the firearms.
Yep.
Scopes. Kind of hard to see, but I promise you they're in there. All your calls. You again?
It's me again.
I know it. I came in here a while ago to ask about some bullets. Here's all your pistols, guys. Plenty of them. Got a great selection. Long guns. Yep,
Ammo.
they got them. Oh yeah, they can see the ammo down there. Plenty of ammo. It's good. Fishing. Plenty of bait, lines. They got, look, I'm just telling you, they got everything you need for outdoor in Safford, Alabama. I'm just telling you. Y'all need, if y'all around this area, y'all come check them out. All right, let's go see if that trailer's ready.
Yeah, let's check it out.
If you want some boots, here's the place. Boots, belts, camo, plenty of clothes, frog togs. Buddy, I'm just saying, if you can't find it here, you ain't gonna find it. I mean, they got it. I mean, it's everywhere, whatever. We can go to the other side, look at some hardware. Shirts. Look, you even got the cast iron skillets. Plenty of hardware. Whatever you need. Husqvarna. Echo. Even buy paint. Boy, y'all are like a one-stop shop no matter, I mean, here, hardware stuff. All your PVC piping. Tools and accessories.
Hydraulic.
Yeah, hydraulic. There you go, jacks. All your stuff for your trailers. Battery chargers. Chicken feeders. Hey, tell them about that event. Y'all got an event coming up next week and give away free chickens.
On the 1st. It'd be Friday and Saturday.
That's right. So,
I have all of our mowers, 0 turns on sale.
that's right. And you got giving away free chickens.
That's right.
4 chicks, and there'll be some vendors out there doing some special stuff.
That's right.
So y'all come see them.
Yeah, come see us.
Y'all feeding them lunch too. Hamburgers, hot dogs. Yeah.
We are. Yep.
Y'all come see them.
Come and see us.
Hammers, garden hoses, rakes, shovels, all your, man, the store's laid out nice too, man. I mean, it really is. I mean, everything's kind of like right where it's supposed to be when you get to one section. Even got a bathroom. All right, now let's go see if my trailer's ready.
Let's go check it
out.
out.
All right, buddy. All right, guys, so here it is. She went from a 24-foot down to a 18-foot Aluma trailer. It's got the tilt deck on it. Got your little, I guess, cylinder adjuster there. Unlatch it there, and then the deck just lays down the ground. You just drive off, drive on. That's it. Well, dude, Paul, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
I'm
Thank you.
fixing to head back to Pensacola. We'll check this thing out on the way to Arkansas here next week.
Yeah, have a safe trip. Come back and see us again.
Hey, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. If y'all need anything, y'all know where to go.